we need to check in on what's going on with Mayor Sheng Thao and that whole federal indictment. In case you don't remember, she was recalled and now she's under federal indictment for a whole bunch of things, including corruption and campaign finance, all that stuff. It got weirder. So Mario Juarez was shot at back in June, before a few days before the FBI raided the homes of Thao and Tong, who they were trying to kill him. Who Mario Juarez is? He was the guy who owned the company that sent out the campaign flyers that got a kickback from Mayor Sheng Thao, if I'm remembering this correctly.
I see. I can't even keep up. I'm so confused.
Yeah, so
Genuinely confused.
he was facing his own criminal trial.
Yes.
Which they then dropped. The DA, former DA, Pamela Price, then dropped. And now he was almost killed by people involved in this Sheng Thao case. Now, if you don't remember, it's Sheng Thao, the Duong family who own Cal Waste. They are involved in this. They are very corrupt. One of their things was they were going to do these kickbacks to Mayor Sheng Thao so that they could get their pick of who they wanted inside the administration, so they could pick like their buddies to be inside City Hall for Oakland. The whole thing is an absolute. You can go back and listen to our whole thing about it, but they tried to kill him, so that's fun.
Was he like a key witness or something? Here's my little friend.
Well, I would assume because because he was so involved in the campaign flyers and the kickbacks and stuff like that, I assume he's one of the main witnesses. And they figured if we just kill him, then he won't be able to testify.
It's the obvious choice that all of us usually lean towards.
I mean, when you're already facing federal indictment, why not just kill the guy? Sure, this is like The Godfather or something. But yeah, that's just checking in on Mayor Sheng Thao. Things are going great over there for her. I don't know. I don't think she had anything to do with it. I'm sure it's the Duong family who are really corrupt, who probably had their hand in trying to kill this guy.
Right. Well, so they arrested them, but have since released them, and they didn't give names. Mm-hmm. So we don't even know who these people are, why they were released. It's just weird.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they arrested him in December. They since been freed. The paper did not name them. Chronicle said police had no additional information that the Alameda County District Attorney declined to file. Why would they decline to file charges for two men who tried to kill someone? It's so weird. There's so much corruption, I think, going on up in Alameda. I think it runs deeper than you or I could even imagine. Between the mayor, Sheng Thao, and the DA who was recalled, like there was probably so much corruption up there in Alameda County. And
this story is just a tiny part of it, I think.